Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a package in front of me that I decided we would just open on camera together. We would do kind of an unboxing, try on, full, immediate scoop type of a video and wear test because I got some PR from, you guys probably already know from the title and the thumbnail, but pretend to be excited with me because right now I am really excited. This is a new product from Natasha Danone. You guys know I love Natasha Danone. I would say approval rating is like 90% with her products as far as what I love and what just, you know, kind of doesn't work, because the reality is there's never gonna be every single product in a brand that every person likes or that it works for. So be realistic. Just because a brand has a product you don't like doesn't mean the whole brand is like bad. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I love most of her makeup is what I'm saying. It's usually crazy expensive. And when I saw this product online, I was really excited because the price point is very standard fare for an out of the drugstore product. They are $25 a piece. This is not sponsored at all. I did receive it for free. That's as far as it goes, but I hope you guys know I get kicked off of PR. So like sometimes that happens because I have a very unfiltered way of explaining the pros and cons, and I do really try to not just like go hard for the humor of it, even though sometimes when things don't work out, it is kind of funny, like you have to kind of laugh. But because of this, there have been times where companies are like, hey, we're not gonna send you stuff anymore, and it's not like they tell me that, it just like stops coming to my PO box. But I'm really impressed with companies and brands that not only continue sending me product to try without any restriction or asking me to say certain things, but I really appreciate it when there's continued communication. And there have been so many times where Natasha herself has DM'd me or said, hey, sorry you had an issue with that, you know, this is why, and maybe try this. And I just always thought that was the coolest thing ever. Anyway, let's dive into this package right here. I had this in front of me because I was just like swatching an old friend. This is the palette I used on my wedding day. I love that palette, the Star palette. Oh my God. Oh, yes. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. Dang it. This is actually really hilarious. I was sitting down and I was convinced that this was the new liquid shadows. It's in stock 4 miles away. Hold on. Let's go to Sephora.
Is that for me?
It smells so good.
In the basket.
For James's upcoming man favorites, thumbs this video up.
But wait a second.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
If we get 100,000 likes on this video, I'll do an updated man favorites.
I'm getting that. It's sweaty hot out there, you guys.
Give me a hug.
You got the, oh no, you got the big bottle. Oh my God, I want to wear this. I'm pretty sure this is the longest intro that has ever taken place on my channel, you guys, but we are finally ready to put on some eyeshadow that I have personally been so excited about. I go online and, you know, it's my job, yes, but just personally, like as a makeup enthusiast, as a makeup lover, I like to keep up with, you know, new launches from brands that I obsess over. Natasha Danone rarely disappoints. So I've been watching these and I'm like, ooh, yes, I think they're gonna be great. I wanna make clear I did not swatch these in the store. I really wanted to save it so that we could like experience the full thing together. I should probably turn this also into like a little Sephora haul. Really quick. I did get this, the little mini face mist. I got the new Tarte palette and their mascara. Ooh, it looks very misleading. I don't know that a mascara is really gonna do everything it says it does on the front, but I would like to find out. And now, my friends, we are ready for our main show, the Natasha Danone Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow. These are $25 a piece. Oh my God, they even look really beautiful through the packaging. Kind of crazy doe foot applicator. Let's give her a swipe. That's quite nice, okay? So this comes in 5 different colors. I am going to dig around and get the information for you, but I'm assuming you can wear these underneath, alone, over, just kind of use them how you want. Similar to how you would use a Magnificent Metal, but these have different textures. There is just a smoother metallic right here. This one is called Moonstone. Oh, it's like very moussey. Sienna looks like it has more texture to it in terms of like a micro glitter. That's really pretty. The one thing you need to do with Natasha Danone products is have faith in the tones and the color selection. I think that is something so impressive about this brand, is the understanding of what looks flattering on a multitude of skin tones. So it might look kind of like, oh, that's just not that fun on your hand. But once you pair it with a full face and you're going after a full completed look and not just how a swatch looks by itself, then you understand why these products are so special. It's not just about the wow with the swatch, it's about the wow with how you look and feel while wearing it. And I've always really appreciated that about all of the palettes. Let's look at another one. This is Obade, A-U-B-A-D-E. Sue me, I can't say that. Okay. Ooh. Now this one looks the chunkiest. This is the shade Zone. It almost has kind of a green gold vibe. It's like not coming out. Yeah, that might be the one to pass on because there's something about the formula that does not want to stick to the doe foot applicator. Strange. All right, so I want to apply these on the eyes and then do a wear test for you guys. It is so hot outside that it is like the perfect day. I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna sit outside, do some work on my laptop, and purposefully like get a little heated outside to see if this makes this makeup crease or melt off my face or anything like that. Ooh, these are hard to take off. I was like, oh, I forgot one. There's one more. No, actually, this is just a lip color that I got from Bobbi Brown called Mauve Over. I don't know. Let's just try it right now. Why not? Yes. It looks exactly the same as all of the other lipsticks that I enjoy. Let's get to the eyeshadow, shall we? So you guys, I am doing a quick little search on Sephora. I know that I thought these looked beautiful, and because I love the brand so much was my main interest, but the reviews are not all that great. So I'm not seeing a ton of reviews, but from what I'm looking at, not everyone's like super happy with this product. So we're gonna figure it out. It does say that this product is vegan, cruelty-free. Chroma Crystal liquid eyeshadows are a new lustrous formula which create a sensational next level sparkling effects with 5 edgy iridescent shades. Each shade is made with rich, saturated, high quality pigments. Apply on top of the eyelid using an applicator or your fingertip. So really they don't give you too much to go off of. I want to try using this alone and just see what the color payoff is like, and then go in with additional eyeshadow if I find that necessary. So we're gonna first use the applicator. We'll do that on one eye. Oh, snap. That's really pretty just all on its own. I want to see what it's like if you grab the product on your fingertip. If you have more control, if it's more intense. So it's definitely gonna give you a ton of intensity if you apply straight from the doe foot applicator. If you apply using your fingertip and dabbing motions, it's gonna be much more sheer. So I wanna do just a swatch of all of them for you guys, and then I'm going to put on some eyeshadow and layer it on top. Does not wanna come off. Let's go into Moonstone. That is pretty just on its own. I really actually like that. Just, you know, throw on a little mascara and boom, you're out the door. Same thing, so it's preference of just how much you want to turn up the dial with the intensity level, but that took me all of 2 seconds, and that's something really great about a liquid eyeshadow, is if you don't want to take the time to do a transition shade and work in the crease and do the, you know, lid shade and just all of that, and you just want something fast that is very long wearing, these can be really, really easy to use and fun to use. So you're probably gonna wanna have patience removing these. Use a balm cleanser, use an oil, saturate whatever you have on hand, a cloth or cotton round, and really soak off the eye color. But I just wanna show you guys every angle of this product. So we're gonna continue forward with Aubade. I really do hope I am saying that correctly. I like these. Okay. And now we are gonna go into Zone. This one's just, I feel like it just really, well, gosh, I take that back. Like, see, here's the thing with Natasha Danone products. That's freaking stunning. It's kind of this transparent, you know, thing that gives you a lot of reflection, and swatched on the back of my hand, I was like, nothing is coming out, it's not doing anything. But here, it looks really nice. Okay, for the sake of my eyes not falling off and my skin surviving this video, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, Nightfall, and I am just gonna leave what we have on and just accent the outer edge with this. These are really easy to use and very, very pretty. I think that you might have a better time with the deeper shade using a more precise brush. I'm gonna try that. All right, so I just went full crazy with it and kind of took it too far. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit. Just kind of trying to see how everything would layer, and I think this darker one is pretty. It's a little bit tough to work with if you're trying to pull the color out and do the full smoky eye. It's really tough with how it dries down to get the exact shape that you want. So I don't know that I would recommend trying to go really hard with the darker one, like outside of the lid. But this will also have to do with your eye shape and just what type of an outcome you want from the product. All right, so I am gonna dip into a Natasha Danone palette just to kind of smooth the edges out ever so slightly. We'll go into the Star palette, and I'm just gonna take something really nice and light just to kind of edge out any of that roughness. Okay, so now that I've kind of smoothed things out just enough, I want to go back in with the first shade that I tried on, which is the shade Sienna. And I'm just going to go from the Doe Foot applicator and, ooh, that was a lot. I think this is really pretty. So I'm gonna leave it like this and put on some liner lashes, and I will be right back. we meet again, and my eyes are on fire. Now, this is not to do with the Natasha Danone, it has to do with lash glue hitting my very raw, and I mean, like, I was rough on my eyes trying to get the shadows off because they are so long wearing. And as much as I want to torture myself to wear this for the rest of the day and night and give you guys that full day wear test, I want to let you guys know that this is a budge-proof product. It does not want to come off. And if you're looking for something that is summer-proof, all-day wear-proof, sweat-proof, crease-proof, this is going to hold up. I was even thinking about it as I had one of them swatched on my hand, and it was hard to even get that off. It doesn't crinkle. These are really beautiful products. I believe for $25, this is a great price point for Natasha Danone. I'm gonna say they're a thumbs up. Now, the one that I did not love is this darker one. The color of it just did not work for me. These dried down so quickly that it made it really difficult to blend and kind of screwed up the look I was going for. I was hoping it would have like a softer blend, and it didn't. So this is the one that just doesn't do it for me, but it might be a preference as to what colors you like to use with a liquid or cream shadow. My two faves are Moonstone and Sienna. These are the ones that I think are so gorgeous. I'm of course gonna put in an insert of all of them swatched for you guys to take a look at. I think these are exciting. They're similar to any other Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow, but it's nice to see Natasha Danone's spin on it, and they are really, really shiny, reflective, super budge proof. I want to make clear it is not this product that is burning my eyes. It's the fact that I put lash glue on, and these lashes are just kind of irritating me a little bit, and I already want to just kind of take them off and give my eyes a break. I do want to also point out that I have a strong intuition that this is going to be the best type of product for someone that really wants an easy makeup look. I feel the more complicated you get with this, the less magical it looks. So if you want to just swipe on one shade and be good to go, this is going to be a great product for you. It's fast, long wearing, looks really pretty, has that wow factor, and doesn't take a lot of skill or time. So I think that's really, really great. Or if you want to get super detailed with it, take a brush, get really precise, layer it in with other shadows. It will layer on top of them nicely. And that's that, you guys. I also want to add in that while I was kind of finishing everything up, I did put on this liquid lip from Natasha in the shade Nude Metallica. James will love that. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that before you leave. Ring the bell so that you're notified of my upcoming videos. I am here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I try it all. You guys see that, you know, I'll in the middle of the video take a trip to Sephora, we're in the drugstore, we're doing challenges, full faces of just about everything. So leave your requests in the comments below. I hope we enjoyed today's glittery moment with Natasha Danone. I am experiencing spicy eyes, so I'm really gonna wrap this up and go and take the lashes off. Sometimes like lash glue just does not agree with me. So it's that kind of a moment, but I am really excited about these new products. I think they're beautiful. Like every time I kind of get a little of this in the monitor, I'm like, ooh, it's so sparkly and satisfying. All right, I like it. I'm in it. I'm all about it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope that you're all about it too and that you enjoyed this one. And I'm wishing you a good day, night, whatever you're doing, whatever time it is. Thank you guys for watching. Go have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.